Hi, my name is Austin, and today we will be going over the Student Video 2 problems. So, for number one, the problem is asking us to find the limit of 4 from the left with the equation given. So, first, to specifically find the limit from the left, we can plug in numbers that are less than the number by a tiny amount. So I begin with 3.9, and when I plug it in, I get negative 189.1. Next, I go to 3.99, and the answer for that is negative 1989.01. And for the third number, I use 3.999, and my answer is negative 19,989.001. And so I can see that as I get closer to 4 from the left, my answer decreases. So my answer for this question, for number one, is the limit of the equation x squared plus 3x minus 8 over x to the 4th, or x minus 4, as opposed to 4 being the limit, is negative infinity. Now, for my second question, the question is the limit of f of x as x approaches infinity. So f of x is 3x to the 5th minus 5x minus 1 over 9x squared plus 1. So I know that since the limit is at infinity, so I know that I'm going to either have to do sign analysis. I'm going to have to do either sign analysis, make it equal to 0, or something else, but I'm not remembering it. But since my numerator is greater than the denominator, I know that I'm going to have to do sign analysis. So I do that, and I plug in a positive number, whatever number it may be, into the x of the first base. And so a positive number to the 5th power is still a positive number, and a positive number to the 2nd power is still a positive number. So it is still 3 times a positive number over 9 times a positive number. And so my answer for this question will be infinity. Now for number 3, my question is the limit for the equation of x squared minus 25 over x minus 5 as x approaches 5. And so looking at the question, I can already tell that if I plug in 5, it will give me 0, which is an indeterminate answer. So what I must do is I have to factor the top specifically. And so x squared minus 25 is also x plus 5 times x minus 5. And since I have x minus 5 in both the numerator and the denominator, I can cancel them out, which will leave me with x plus 5. Next, I can plug in the number x is approaching. In this case, it is 5. So 5 plus 5 is 10. And so my answer is 10 for number 3. For number 4, my question is the limit of the equation of x squared minus 4x plus 3 over x squared minus 1 as x approaches infinity. So since I know that the coefficients on both the numerator and the denominator are the same, I can take the bases and I can divide them. And so the limit of x squared minus 4x plus 3 over x squared minus 1 as x approaches infinity is 1.